Good. Good girl. Can I have your chin? Chin. That was mouth. Chin. Where's chin? You gave it to me earlier. No, cool. Chin. You gave it to me earlier. Chin. Good. Good girl. You gave me paw at the same time there. It was a bit cheeky, wasn't it? Okay, can I have your paw then? That paw. Paw. Good. And that paw. Good. Good girl. Okay, now can I restrain you? Can I restrain you? Remember? And touch your collar. Good. Good girl. That's collar. And restrain. Alright. Do it for a little bit longer next time, yeah? Good girl. Pat. Here. No, that's Helen. Here. Right. Here. Now your collar again. Collar. Good girl. And restrain. And Helen's going to check you. You're being silly. Restrain. Good girl.